Here's the video you were waiting for on how you're going to get the huge jug of Gain detergent for FREE and four more items as well for no cost at all, none of them. And you're going to make a over $7 moneymaker. I cannot believe it. Anyway, like and follow for more videos, like I told you, so that you can continue to get notified when I post these videos. The sales at Walgreens this week are crazy. This is just one of the many transactions you can put together to get such great prices, like no money and making some. And also check the other videos that I have been posting so that other videos that I've been posting so that you can continue to see like more sales. I'm going to continue to bring them as I can. But anyway, let's jump into the video. Let's not waste any more time. This week at Walgreens, you will be able to get these five items completely free and a moneymaker of over $7, as I mentioned. The first thing I got was the Gain for $15.99 with a $3 digital coupon that comes off. Then I picked up two of the Colgate at $4 each for a total of $8. And then each of these items has a $2 digital coupon that comes off. So that means you have to pick one of each, not two of the same. And then each one will have its own $2 off. So 8 minus 4 total digital coupons, you are left to pay $4 for the both products, but you will get back $3 in a registered reward, making them both for $1 or 50 cents each one. So I'm telling you the deals individually, and then I'm going to tell you how it all ties up in one transaction. The next thing you're going to pick up is these two Crest products. I picked these two in particular because there's an Ibotta rebate. I'm going to tell you that in one moment. If you don't have an Ibotta, I'm going to show you my referral code so that you can join Ibotta. It's completely free to download and to make an account. And once you use my referral code and upload your first receipt within the first week, you're going to be able to get a welcome bonus. Plus, you're going to get back the cash back of what I'm going to show you. So let's get into the deal first at Walgreens. Like, what is it going to be? And then I'll show you how you're going to get the Ibotta. So the Crest, each one of these is coming out to $9 for each one for a total of $18 for the both of them. However, each of these products, just like there were like a coupon for each of these, there's also a coupon for each of these toothpaste, and they're $4 off each one. So your total was 18 for both of them, minus those $8 total digital coupons, you're left with $10 only. However, you're going to get back $5 in a registered reward for having bought two of them. So now you're only down to $5 for those two products. However, here is where that extra special deal comes in. You're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta. Again, here's my referral code. Use it if you're interested in getting the application and getting extra money back. But if you already have it, it's all good. You're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and you're going to get back $2 on each one for a total of $4 back. So if we were down to 5 a moment ago, take away those $4, you're going to pay $1 for each of these, or basically 50 cents each. Crazy. That's basically just getting them for free. But okay, now, so the total for all of this, I'm going to tell you in a second because I'm going to break it down for you. So let's get into that. So that is $15.99 for the Gain, plus $18 for the two Crest, and $8 total for the two Colgate. $41.99 is your total for everything. Those are the sale prices. $41.99. Now I'm doing a digital coupon, or I did a digital coupon and a paper coupon of those photographs that we were getting, and you will get back a perk for buying them, for spend 15 and get 5. I'm sorry, I'm getting tongue twisted. But yeah, so I'm going to use those two in this transaction. And with all these digital coupons and plus what we're getting back, that's how you're going to get the deal to where I told you. So $41.99 minus the $3 of the Gain, minus 2 for each of the Colgate products, and 4 for each of these Crest products. You're down to $26.99 out of pocket. So this is what you would have to pay in store before you get the rewards back. But what are we getting? We are getting the $10 for that PNG register reward of spending $30 or more in store and getting back $10. You're going to get back $7 for the digital perk, $5 for the paper perk, $5 for the Crest register reward, $3 for the register reward you're going to get back of the two Colgate, and you're going to get back the Ibotta for $4. There's also some little change there. I think it's like 40 cents more, because when you get your perks, they give you a percentage of how much you spend. In this case, we spent over $41, so you would get like 41 more cents. So therefore, you will do a moneymaker of $7.42 if you have everything I told you. Now, if you do not have those digital and paper perks, let's just say you have one of them. You don't have, let's say, the paper one. So then you would just add five because you didn't have it. You're still B. Um, Making a moneymaker of $2.42. So again, it depends on what you have. If you have absolutely no perks, either digital or paper, you're gonna pay like $5 and change for all of this. Either way, it doesn't matter how you put it, you're going to get really, really great deal for all these products. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and follow for more videos, share so the more people could enjoy. Until the next one, and don't forget to smile.